So, ayan, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Kahit nga raw ang hitsura ko, Diyos ko, putlang-putla. Hindi na uso ang lipstick, diretsahan na agad. Batiin ko lang si Marvin TV Official or si Marvin de la Cruz ng happy birthday, kapatid. And kumpare ko na pala to. And may God grant all your prayers come true. And lagi mong i-priority ang health. Kasi ang katawan natin is nag-iisang kapital sa pagsubok at hamon ng buhay. So, kailangan ingatan natin ha. And always be grateful sa lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa ating buhay. And lagi mong tatandaan na God is good all the time. And thank you for being a good friend. And enjoy mo lang yung day mo. Hindi naman isang araw lang birthday. Every day is birthday. Ganon. And pasensya na late na talaga to kasi nga si Linma. Late na nagsabi. At saka pasensya na at medyo yung boses ko. Kasi nga I'm not feeling well din na nagtrabaho. Pero laban ng talagang byuda. Ganon. Ayan. Basta yun lang. Happy birthday and more years to celebrate. And always be thankful to God.
Hello Marvin, happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthday to come. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Oh, eto, nandito kaming lahat at may babatiin kami ng happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Kay Marvin! Sabay-sabay
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Marvin, happy birthday!
Busit
Makain na
ka!
kami.
Busit ka! Birthday mo pala! Happy birthday! Busit ka! Maglibre ka naman kahit isang galong tubig lang!
Padala mo kilo.
Happy birthday! Ito si Jobari, si Weirdo at si Jade. Happy birthday! Kain ka naman!
Ayan, hello, Tol Marvin. Ayan. Babatiin lang kita ng happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come, ha? Nandito tayo sa work, eh. Kaya, ayan, padala lang tayo ng ating pagbate. Have a blast and enjoy your special day. Again, happy birthday and I love you.
Hey Marvin, happy birthday. Marami pang inuman. Sana patuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Ayos lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. Kahit kung saan ka masaya, gawin mo lang. Again, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So ngayon ay mayroon tayong babatiin na mag-birthday. Actually late na, pero okay lang yan kasi araw-araw naman dapat happy. So naiba ko ni si best friend Marvin de la Cruz. And happy birthday to you, best Marvin. And enjoy your day. Ingat palagi pagpapasok sa work. So, pasensya ka na at late na tong nagawa naming video para sa'yo. So, okay lang yun. Basta, lagi lang happy and sana maraming blessings pa dumating sa'yo. And maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo. And, yun lang. And enjoy your day and God bless. Stay good health. Bye!